My initial problem was that none of the fan controls would work. One day the fan controls were working no problem, you know, with the screen demister and everything, and then all of a sudden it just stopped working. There was no hint of a motor noise or grinding or anything like that, which sort of led me to believe that it must just be an electrical problem of some kind. So I went on the internet and it appeared that Land Rover 2s have got problems with the motor resistor, fan motor resistor. And basically what this is, it's this thing here, and all those fins I think are just a heat sink which sit in the fresh air ducting in the fresh air plenum chamber, as it were, and this is a resistor that changes the resistance and voltage onto the motor depending on what you select. So you'd think nice easy task to replace this. I went on quite a few forums to find out where it was fitted, but with not much luck. The Land Rover workshop manual says take off this side panel here and you'll find it. Well, in fact I couldn't find it, and so I referred to this picture here, which I downloaded from Land Rover forum, and it shows it to be actually right up inside here, right up behind here. To get it out, what you need to do is to first of all, well, take this passenger footwell panel off, take this side panel off, which is just one screw in there. This side panel unclips. Unfortunately broke one of these connectors. I'll see what happens later on putting it back. And then you have to take out the glove compartment, which is quite simple. It's just got two tabs which you just push that in, push it in the other side, that comes out. You then release the little damper which is up there, and then the whole thing just pulls out, which is probably the easiest part of the job. The worst part was actually trying to get to this thing and remove it. I tried laying on, in fact you have to lay on your back to get in there, but I tried laying on my back with my hands and gave up. So in the end I made this funny little special tool thing and welded a socket onto it, and then this fits nicely onto there, and then that was with a socket on it. I just put a little short socket on it, and then from there I could to release it, you just turn it anti-clockwise by, I don't know, tiny bit, quarter of a turn, not even that really, and then it pops straight out. It just comes, you just lift it straight out the side of the fresh air plenum chamber, and then to put it back in again, it's just, I put it back on, just a turn that way. When it comes out, it's got electrical connection, which is quite easy just to unplug. Once it's dangling back down here, you can unplug it quite easily. and now the fan motor works. Anyway, hope this video helps, and good luck with it.